In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the offset tool, which is a really great drawing tool that I end up personally using a lot. So to use it, we just need some kind of shape. So I've drawn a circle here, and the offset tool is here in the modify. So you click on that tool, and then you click on your shape, and then you're able to make an identical shape that is offset. And so in this case, the distance between these two lines is what's in that box. So if I put in 0.5, I'll now make a second circle that's exactly 0.5 from the larger circle. Or I could also offset and make one that's bigger. So I can make one that's bigger and 0.5 away. And then this works for any shape. So we could get our polygon tool, for instance, and make a shape, and then use the offset tool, offset that by 0.1. Okay. One neat thing about this is if I decided to go back in and dimension this hexagon, let's say I wanted to make that 2 inches, the inner one grows with it. And so then when I finish, I can extrude this, and we would get this hollow hexagon. All right, and that's basically it. That is the offset tool.